Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your Japanese lessons with Lingoda detailed guide step by step clearly. To start your Japanese lessons with Lingoda, first, visit the Lingoda website. Look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right of the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing the registration form, check your email for a confirmation link from Lingoda. Click on the link to verify your account. Once your account is activated, log in to the Lingoda platform. Take a moment to explore the website and familiarize yourself with its features. Navigate to the course catalog and find the Japanese language section. Browse through the available lessons and levels to identify what suits your needs. If you're unsure where to start, consider taking the placement test offered by Lingoda. This test will help determine your current proficiency in Japanese. Based on the results, you can choose a suitable starting level. Once you've decided on a level, proceed to select your preferred classes. Lingoda offers a variety of formats, including live classes with native teachers and self-paced courses. Choose the schedule that fits your lifestyle, whether it's daily classes or once a week. After selecting your classes, add them to your cart and proceed to checkout. You may need to pick a payment plan that works for your budget. Complete your purchase to confirm your enrollment in the classes. Now, it's time to prepare for your first lesson. Make sure you have the necessary tools, such as a reliable internet connection, a computer, or a tablet. Download the Lingoda app on your preferred device for easy access to lessons. On the day of your first class, log in a few minutes early to ensure everything is functioning properly. Connect with your teacher and classmates as the lesson begins. Take notes during the class to reinforce your learning. After the lesson, review the materials provided to solidify your understanding. Use the Lingoda platform to track your progress and schedule future classes. Engage with additional resources, such as language games and quizzes, to enhance your skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.